Now that right there is the reason you don't start one of them auction sale engines without at least taking the head off. You know. And we'll get that sleeve out of there. See what it looks like. Well, cleaning up the tools there. A Gib key puller from Hit&Miss Enterprises. That's a Harbor Freight C-clamp there, modified in the shop in there. And a chisel. Round punch. Nice heavy one. Could be bigger. This is on the small size for this project. And the problem was the worn out, and most likely the other person before me, the reason is they probably removed it with a drift punch also. So I'll replace it with a new one, you know, when I put it back together. But you know, it's something that's ready available, and there's no reason to use this again when you can set it right for the next owner. I'm just saying. A small hammer, a couple of Gib keys out and gone. Oh yeah, that's gonna be easy to get off of there. But I'm going to dress this down with a file before I bring it off. I'll put that Gib key back in there so it don't slide off. Look at that engine running. Kind of one of them things you don't know what you're going to find when you open one of these crankcases up. Okay, this is what we found in this one. Let's drag it out. Must be a rat's nest. You know, you want to get up, you want to get downwind. Good thing the winds are blowing here. Man, but, well, you don't know, you know. Have no idea. But something dragged that in through the way that got in there is through that, the magneto over there didn't have any cover plate on it from the magneto to the engine. That little tin plate in there was missing. So probably a mouse coming and going in that such a little bitty hole there. But well, here it is cold here. He's probably in the ground somewhere, I would think. But I think it would have been cozy warm in there. You know, I surely do. But you know, you can't have that in your engine. And I'm not sure that got in here since it's been on my premises. See that could have come from Doug Thornhill. And no, it's yeah, this is Doug Thornhill engine. Yes. And I actually don't think that has got in here. That looks pretty old. But actually that first there, it looked old. That's really old there. So I think that mouse has been living in there more than once. But that's what you found. Let the wind blow that away. Now that rat nest is out there, let's just look at it. And not too bad. We'll spray some PB Blaster up in there. We'll get on with this project. Same with the gears. We'll spray them down. Yeah, I'd say, just looking at it, I'd say we're going to need a gas tank there. I think we got one laid in over there. A couple of stainless steel bolts. Yeah, we'll clean that. Put a little primer on it. Hey, y'all come on back in a couple of days there. We'll see what we did to it.